Alright, so let me break this down for you real quick. You press it to turn it on, press it to turn it off. You turn this for maximum pressure. This piece goes on the front. These you just simply push up to pop in the different nozzles that they give you. Everything is easy to mount. On the back here you have storage for your other nozzles. This bracket goes in here. This just slides down the side. This piece slides in right there. These just get screwed in on the sides. It's super easy. You can use this to spool the hose out and then bring it back in. And in here, your garden hose connects right into there. And you can fill this up with soap.